For over 8 years now, the Sunset Auto family of dealerships have been including warranty protection for life with every qualifying new and pre-owned vehicle. And what does that cost you? Nothing. Not a penny. It's Sunset's exclusive limited powertrain warranty honored at any ASE-certified repair facility in the United States and Canada for as long as you own that vehicle. But when Sunset first started this, other dealerships told customers it was a gimmick, a marketing ploy. Some other dealerships even called it a ripoff. A ripoff for something Sunset did not charge for? Ooh, that had to be a tough sell. Well, the copycats are out of the bag, folks, and now they're promoting their own knockoff version. But none of those other guys have protected customers with over $2 million in claims. Coverage Sunset customers didn't have to pay for. The truth is that prices on exact vehicles are all about the same at every dealership. They really are. So the real value comes from money-saving extras, like warranty protection for life. Go to sunsetautofamily.com for all the details, and you'll see you just get more at Sunset. And people do like that.